Hello everyone, I am Miss.Neinunmoi Singson and I am one of the participants here in Miss Dimapur 2022. Ethnic group of Nagaland presents Miss Dimapur 2022, powered by Rich Coffee, co-powered by Evian, and in collaboration with IWSN Training Center. So let me say something about Rich Coffee. It is a corporate company and it is the only plant-based vitamin coffee that has so many delicious flavors, and one of my favorite is Butterscotch Delight. I am very passionate about learning new stuff and doing new things that helps me boost my self-confidence. I have a steady source of motivation that helps me do my best. This passion leads me to challenge myself every day and acquire new skills that helps me do my work better. Thank you and keep supporting Ethnic Group of Nagaland.
Hi everyone, I am Miss.Chochoi, lhoujem, one of the promising contestants of Miss Dimapur 2022, presented by Ethnic Group of Nagaland. The event is powered by Rich Coffee, the first coffee brand in Northeast that serves and takes care of our health, and co-powered by AVM in collaboration with IWSN Training Center. It is happening on the 12th of August at IMC Hall. For more updates, do follow the Ethnic Group of Nagaland and Rich Coffee page on Instagram. Thank you.